Yeah, I'll continue. The concept, the problem we are solving on grad phi gradient. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so before going to today's problem, just I will recall the definition of angle between two vectors. So I hope you remember if vector A and vector B, generally vector A and vector B are two vectors, then calculation of angle between these two vectors, we have the formula. Are you remember what is the formula to calculate angle between two vectors? Anyone?
Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by modulus of a bar mod b bar.
Very good. So cos theta equals vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate angle between two vectors. Okay, so why I am telling this formula means now today's problem is depending on calculating the angle between two normals. So yesterday we solved calculating the normal. Normal is nothing but gradient of phi, grad phi. If you calculate grad phi, it is a normal. So they will give either two surface or they will give one surface with 2 points. Okay, so we need two vectors like vector A and vector B. We need two normal vectors. The one we will take it as n1, another one we will take it as n2, two vectors, and we will calculate the angle between these two. In place of A and B, you put n1 and n2. Okay, this is also a vector. So calculation of vector n, that we know vector n is equal to grad phi. Okay, so just I'll go to the problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, otherwise I'll go to the problem. Take it. Find the angle between. I think problem number last class, I think it is 2. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Take it down. This is problem number 3. Find the angle between. Find the angle between normals to the surface xy equals z square, xy equals z square at the point 412 and 3 minus 3 minus 3. Okay, so one surface is given, only one surface, that is 5. So they are given 2 points. So if I substitute first point, you will get a normal vector that you take it as n1. And if you substitute for the same surface, same grad phi, if you substitute the second point 3 and minus 3, you will get another normal vector that you take it as n2 and then calculate the angle. So generally, first we will write the formula, then you will get the idea. We know that angle between two vectors write on the next line, cos theta equals vector A dot vector B. So here for the above alphabets you should write arrow mark only. Okay, divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So first you have to calculate two vectors and corresponding their magnitude also. Then you can substitute this formula. Okay, next we know that vector n equals grad phi. Okay, normal vector. So that is equal to, you can write the formula also. What is grad phi? Dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Okay, that you can write the formula also. So given phi equals, yes, what is phi here? What is our problem?
xy minus z square.
Minus z square.
Xy minus z square. So you have to take all right hand term to left hand side, and that you can take it as phi. Okay, so you can write here. So grad phi equals, or n equals grad phi equals, yes, you can differentiate directly. Otherwise, you can substitute wherever phi is there. You can substitute this xy minus z square with all three. That is with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Otherwise, you can differentiate directly. So if I differentiate directly phi with respect to x, xy minus z square, you will get y. First term differentiation is y. Second term becomes 0 into I cap plus with respect to y differentiation x j cap. Is it right? Because with respect to y, x is constant, keep x as it is, y differentiation is 1, and this is 0, z square, plus with respect to z, both xy 0, differentiation of xy is 0 with respect to z, you will get minus 2z. Z square differentiation is minus 2z k cap. Okay, or n equals, just I will write n now. Therefore, n equals, no need to write grad phi here because we are solving with respect to normal only. So n equals y I cap plus x j cap minus 2z k cap. Okay, so now what is given, you can substitute that points. So given at x equals, yes, what are the points? It is given 4, 1, 2. Is it right? X equals 4, y equals 1, and z equals 2. Instead of n, you take n1. What is n1 equals? This is the first point. Okay, given or at x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 2. So substitute, what you will get? Y is 1, you will get I cap plus xj, x is 4 j cap minus 2 into z, z is 2, 2 to the 4 k cap. So this is the first vector, and calculate its magnitude only. What is the magnitude of n1? That is equal to square root of 1 square plus 4 square again plus 4 square only. If it is minus, that is plus only because it is whole square, and inside the square root there is no question of negative numbers. So that gives square root of, this is 4 square 16 plus 16 32 plus 1 33. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second point at next at x equals, so second point is 3 3 minus 3, x equals 3, y equals y also 3, and z equals minus 3. Yes, now you take this as n2, second vector n2. N2 equals, yeah, this is the main vector. No, this is the main normal vector. So y, that is 3i cap plus x 3j cap plus 3j cap, and minus 2 times minus 3, minus gives plus, 2 3 is 6 k cap. Okay, so since 3 I can take common, because to calculate the magnitude it gives a big number, so better you can take 3 common, so then you can calculate its magnitude. 3 I can take common, you will get I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay, so therefore magnitude of n2 equals magnitude of n2 equals 3 into that 3 have to write 3 into square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square is 4. Okay, 1 square. Yeah, sorry. Because I'm attaching this pad now, so because of that, sometimes network will down. Okay, so there will be a disturbance. Now it is audible now.
Yes, sir.
So now this is 3 into root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 root 6. Okay, is it right? Yes, this is n2. Next line.
Yes.
Therefore, angle between two normals. Angle between two normals. Angle between two normals. Cos theta equals, write the formula n1 dot n2 divided by magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. Okay, so I told in the last class also, solving problem, simplifying problem is very simple differentiation. But the thing is, you should be perfect with the vector concepts, angle between two vectors, unit vector. Okay, whatever they will give, unit normal, unit velocity, unit acceleration. So like that, they will change the question, but you should understand the basic definition. Now substitute cos theta equals yes. What is n1? N1 is I plus
I
4j I cap.
minus 4k cap.
Yes.
4k.
Plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. This is n1. In between dot. Okay, it is a dot product and dot. N2 is 3 I can take common. It is a number. You can write early also before n1 also, or let it be 3 times I plus j plus 2k divided by magnitude of n1 is root 33 into magnitude of n2 is 3 root 6. Okay, now just you can simplify here. 3 see you can cancel, 3 and 3 you can cancel, between dot is there. Now apply dot product. What will be the solution of numerator? Step by step we'll go. I dot I, this is 1, is it right? I dot I is 1, means 1 into 1 plus 4j dot j, that is 4 into 1 is 4. Just multiply the coefficients of corresponding vector, but don't write ijk because it is a dot product. So 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 1 is 4, minus 8. Is it right? 4 2s are minus 4 into plus 2 minus 8 divided by root 33 into root 6. And this gives us 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 8 is minus how much? Minus 3?
Minus 3.
Yes. Minus 3 by root 6 into root 33. That both you can multiply inside one root, or no problem, you can keep. This is cos theta. But this is not a final answer, because what is our question? Our question is, you have to calculate the angle. Okay.
Angle.
Angle nothing but only theta, not cos theta. Therefore, what is theta equals? Theta equals
Cos inverse
inverse
of
of
minus.
yes, cos inverse of minus 3 divided by root 6 into root 33. So that's it. Okay. This is the procedure to calculate angle between two vectors. So whatever the vectors, if they ask normal vector, you calculate grad phi, it is a normal, and sometimes one surface, 2 points they will give, this is the problem, and maybe they will give two surface and 1 point. Okay, so next problem is related to that. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Is there any doubt? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Next, we'll go to the next problem. Yes, fourth problem. Find the angle between the normals. Find the angle between the normals. Find the angle between the normals to the surface. To the surfaces, you take two surfaces, it is given. To the surfaces, x square plus y square plus z square equals a square or a, just a, sorry, it is 9, not a, it is 9. X square plus y square plus z square equals 9, and another surface, it is x square plus y square and x square plus y square minus z equals 3. Z equals 3 at 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. 2 comma minus 1 comma 2. You can see the question, the previous question and this question. Can you analyze the problem? Can you solve this problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
How you will get two vectors, two normal vectors n1 and n2 here in this problem?
First equation is N1 and second equation is N2.
N2. So for both common point, you have to put x equals 2, y equals -1 and z equals 2. Okay. Yeah, I will give some times. Let me see how many will complete this problem. So as like a previous problem, just do it. First write the basic formula to calculate the angle between two vectors, general vectors A and B. What is the formula? So you see, if you write the formula, the benefit is one, you will get 1 mark, minimum 1 mark. Another thing is, second point is you will get some idea. So what you have to calculate, okay, according to that formula. So in mathematics, if you write number of steps means that marks will add. Tejasvi Boddu. Are you in class? So if you not respond, I will not consider as a present. Okay, it will be absent only. Yesterday also I make absent to you because login is very late and the left is very early. Tejasvi Boddu, are you hearing me? Tejasvi. And you I'll mark as an absent. No problem. Yes, write the basic formula. We know that the angle between two vectors cos theta equals vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. This is the formula, general formula. So nothing but we require two vectors, so they will give in the same way, but in a different manner. You should understand the problem. Okay, so we know that again, we know that normal vector n equals grad phi. You can write the formula also, that is dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Okay, given since see there are given two surfaces, you take first surface as phi 1. Given phi 1 equals x square plus y square plus z square minus 9. Okay, so just you have to take the constant to left hand side, but in the process of differentiation, that 9 becomes 0. Okay, so if you differentiate the first normal vector, since it is phi 1 first surface, you can take it as n1. Therefore, n1 equals grad phi 1. Yeah, you can differentiate directly. So dou phi by dou x I cap. So differentiate phi with respect to x means very simple. You will get 2x. Okay, 2x I cap, and see y square 0, z square 0, and 9 0 with respect to x. Coming to with respect to y. So x square 0, y square differentiation is 2 by z square 0, 9 0. It is j cap, and plus 5 with respect to z. 5 with respect to z means 2z k cap. This is a simple differentiation. Okay, so at x equals to y equals -1 and z equals 2, you will get n1. Just I will write as n1 only. I will not write grad phi 1 because what we required you can make simple. So n1 equals, substitute the points, you will get 2 to the 4 I cap. So I am writing directly. If you feel it is difficulty, you can substitute 2 into 2. X value is 2 here. 2 you can substitute, and another step you can multiply. So 4 I cap, and since y is -1, if I substitute here, you will get minus 2j plus 4k cap.
4K cap.
Okay, 2 to is the 4k cap. So here I can take 2 common. Better you take common to calculate magnitude, because you will get a simple numbers. If I take 2 common, you will get 2i minus j plus k. Sorry, 2k. So this is n1. So now calculate its magnitude. So therefore our magnitude of n1 equals 2 times square root of 2 square, that is, okay, I will write 2 square plus 1 square only, even though it is minus, because of square that become plus only, plus 2 square. So that is 2 root 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is a perfect square. Square root of 9 is 3. Correct? So answer is
Yes, sir.
6. Answer is 6. 2 3s are. Now n2 equals sorry, 5 2 you have to write now. Given next, given phi 2 equals phi 2 second surface, that is x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus z minus 3. Okay, this is phi 2. So therefore n2 equals grad phi 2, that is equal to, yes, differentiate with respect to x. So if you want, you can write the formula like this: dou by dou x of, you can write complete phi 2 into I cap. Okay, so which one is, if you feel which method is simple, you follow. Okay, just I'm explaining both the way, but what I am doing directly, it helps to reduce the time. You can solve this problem early, quickly, but you should be very perfect in the formula as well as in the differentiation. So if you feel it is difficult, you take more number of steps only, no problem, but answer should be correct and you should get full marks. Okay, so you can substitute like this also. So just I will solve directly. Yes, dou phi by dou x is the general formula is here. Okay, that's why no need to write here. Here it is there. General formula dou phi by dou x I cap. No, so differentiate complete our surface with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. So what you will get? X square differentiation is 2x I cap with respect to x, and this is 0. These 3 become 0 with respect to x, plus with respect to y, only y square is the derivative, that is 2y j cap, and with respect to z, only minus z, that is minus k cap. So this is n2. Okay, so at the same point, at x equals 2, y equals minus 1, and z equals 2. So n2 equals yes, what happens to 2 is a 4 I cap, plus, sorry, y is minus now, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 j cap, and minus, so no z in the third term, is it right? No need to substitute, don't write 2k cap here, nothing is there, there is no z here, so it should be minus k cap only. This is n2. So next, magnitude. I can't take any number common here, so let it be the magnitude 4 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. Is there any doubt? Even though it is a minus, I am not writing minus. Is it clear? When
Yes,
calculating magnitude, inside the square root, you should not write minus because it is minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square means it is plus 2 square only. Okay, so that what is the answer? 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20, 21. Root of 21. So root 21 is not a perfect square. Let it be. Yes, now we have all three. We have n1 and magnitude of n1 and n2 and magnitude of n2. So next line, therefore angle between two vectors, sorry, two normals. Therefore angle between two normals, just write down the formula. Cos theta equals vector n1 dot vector n2 divided by magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. So that become Yes. What is N1? 2 times 2i 2i minus j plus 2k cap dot n2 2x I cap plus 2y j cap minus k cap by magnitude of n1 is 6. Magnitude of n1 is 6 into magnitude of n2 is root 21. So here see 2 1s are 2 3s I can cancel. So what will be the answer? Multiply. Sorry, 1 minute at the point. Second vector is wrong, no?
Yes, sir. It has to be
Yes,
root
sir.
20.
You have to substitute the point and then you have to. Yes, this should be 4i. 4i
Plus 2.
minus 2j
Minus k.
Okay. Now multiply. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus into minus plus.
Plus
1 into
2
2 is 2. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 1 is
minus
2.
2.
Yeah, divided by 3 root 21. And here minus 2 plus 2 cancel. The final answer is cos theta equals.
8 by 3 root 21.
Yes. 8 divided by 3 root 21.
3 root 21.
And therefore theta equals cos inverse 8 divided by 3 root 21. Correct? Your answer?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is about calculating the angle between the two normals. So next definition is there. That is a directional derived a new concept. So that I will continue in the next class. Okay, means definition as well as some problem. So it will go in one stretch. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask anything. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So,
Sir,
okay. Thank you.
excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.